It's your girl, Bailey. I'm back once again with another slime package review. Oh, well, I guess it's not a review. I don't know. But I literally just got it like 5 minutes ago. I'm like so happy. Hold on, I need to turn it around so you don't see my address. My address and stuff is on the back. Like right where my hair is. Right here. But here's what it looks like. It's pretty clean, I guess, or whatever. I bought this 2 weeks ago. It came from Australia. And they pay for like half the shipping. And they're going out of business, so I don't know if they're still out of business. But yeah, they're going out of business. So if it's not up, so if they're still on, you could go buy them. And like their slime is like lower, so if you click on it, it's like $16. But when you really text her about it, it's like $5. So yeah. Alright, so let's get some scissors and cut it open. So I'm just gonna pull that in. Make sure you don't see my fingers. Let's cut. Oh, it's sticky. Okay. I can't do anything. No, I didn't want to do that. At this before I do. You see it? My turn. Why is there a bag? A Walmart bag. Okay. I really don't know. Maybe just because they're out of business. I've seen reviews on there. Maybe it's just because they're out of business, they're just like, I don't feel like shipping right, so I'm just gonna send it in a plastic bag, and yeah, I don't know. So it's like in a little bow, I guess, and I'm gonna open it. Okay. It's like a plastic bag. It's like the Ziploc bag. So, let's open this up. I'm just like, wait. Okay. So, I'm guessing this is my extras because the bag says extras, and I guess this is my package. So yeah, okay. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I have to tape on it to tape it to the thing or something. I don't know their plans. This is like extras right here. So let me open it. There's a little paper. Oh, it's a paper airplane. Look, hold on. Okay, I need stuff. Alright, those days are paper. I'm guessing this is like the receipt or something. Oh, no. It says a note. It says, hope you enjoy your slimes. I tried to make them. Tried? You should have made them. I don't, okay. It says, remember, no refunds. That's funny because on her page it doesn't say that. And I texted her about that and nothing. No text to me for concerns. If I'm concerned, I'm going to text you back. I don't care. No ship bag. Of course I'm not going to ship bag. That makes no sense. Please open on camera. Check. More reminders. I'm closing down very soon. Okay. So I was probably her second to last, purchaser. So yeah. Let's look at our extras. Get this thing. With a little num num. But there's nothing inside of it, so I guess she didn't want to put the lip gloss on there, or she used it or something, and she didn't want to put it in there. So thanks for looking out for me or something. But it's the purple pancake num num. I didn't see any hair on it or anything. There's like green glitter, but that's okay. Ooh, crazy earrings. Thank you, Putty. Oh, yes. And it's the Love Is in the Air one. I already had that one, but my cousin threw it away. So. I didn't order this, but I'm still mad because it's not the Love in the Air one. This is the Galactic one. It's not even like crazy earrings, Putty. Like, what the heck? Like, it's barely bouncy. What the heck? You just take out the extra thing and put different ones in there. That's not cool, dude. Not cool. Alright. A little teddy bear. I think it's a eraser. I don't know. It might be. It's like a eraser. Yup, because it has the little thing at the bottom. Yep, it's an eraser. It's a little cute little eraser bear. And I didn't ask for like extras, so yeah. And last extra is, I guess, a num num, but I'm kind of concerned because there's like sticky stuff right here. Look at this. There's like sticky stuff. So that's not too promising, but thanks for the great unpaid for extras. Thanks. All right, let's get on to the actual package. So here it is. It's like in a bubble wrap bag, and it's like taped down here. And it's like open. What the heck? I'll just cut the rest. Alright. Here's a look. Alright. There's also a little note. A little earplane. Okay. Oh, it says review. Alright.
No, don't worry about
so let's open it.
Alright.
Okay. Sorry about the background noise. It's my family. Oh, it's very colorful. Very different from the note. Like, look how colorful this is and blank this is. Alright, anyways. They have their logo. Slime _ fluffy only. Alright, let's read what I got. Very cloudy, fluffy slime, medium, basically. $3. Blueberry fluffy slime, small, $2. Glitz green sparkle fluffy slime, large, $5. Sea ocean fluffy slime, extra large, $7. Shipping all slimes, $4. So shipping was only $4, but it was usually $15, so she paid for the rest. And shipping, and extras. At the bottom it just says extras. So here's what it looks like. So let's open the slimes. The first slime is, I guess, the blueberry fluffy slime because it like says it on here. This is a small, so her smalls are pretty big. Okay. So it's like, it looks sticky and there's like bubbles. So, this does not feel like fluffy slime. Oh my gosh. I just made a fart noise. Okay. I'm not feeling this. Listen. Okay. Let's see how stretchy. Let's see. Okay. It's not stretchy. It's definitely fluffy slime. It's like, I don't know. It's weird. It looks like it's been played with before it was put in the container, but yeah. Thanks for that. Okay, second slime is, I'm guessing, Very Cloud. This is a medium. This was $3. It's not exactly white. It's like very weird colored cloud. It's like a gray cloud. Yeah. It's supposed to be very cloudy, so I don't know. Maybe it was a rainy day and somehow she turned it gray. Like it's like not even white, it's gray. So thanks for the gray slime. You know, you didn't order it and you didn't pay for it. It was only $3, so I guess. I mean, the prices are very low. In real life, on her real page, it was like $7 just for this. So thanks for that, for, I guess, free gray slime. Alright, let's see. This doesn't have a, what's on the bottom? It says Glitz Green L. So Glitz Green Sparkle, but it only says Glitz Green on here, so, okay. Ew, it's still bubbling. Look at that, bubbling. Okay. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Ew, okay. Oh my gosh, what the heck? This isn't even like, oh. Okay. I'm done with this. I'm already done. Like, I'm trying to rush because I'm like, trying not to yell or get mad. Because I did pay $17 for all of this. So, including shipping, which is $17 all together. 5, 10, 17. No, 18, 19, 20, 21. I paid $21 for this whole thing, including shipping. So I guess this is my very last slime, which is the Sea Ocean Fluffy Slime. It looks promising. Let's hope it is. So it's not really stretchy. This is most definitely a large. Like, it's a large. It's soothing to play with, I guess. It's like a crunchy slime. It's like iceberg slime to me. Or maybe, you know, I don't know. But it didn't look like it was ready to be played with or anything. So, yeah, I'm just kind of like, with the whole package. It's just, yeah. So, out of 10, I wrote a 8 for the whole slime package. The price was okay, I guess. But if she's still up, you could go look at her if you like my slimes. I mean, they wasn't that stretchy, but it was a good slime or whatever. And I will text her for any of my concerns. I don't care what the paper says. I really don't. But if you like the video, like it. Like, comment, subscribe. As you guys know what you gotta do. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.